Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and you may have heard that I recently turned 50 years old. And for my 50th birthday video, I shared my epically massive, awesomely creative vintage refashioned dress collection, plus all the tutorials, so I'll link that video down below for you. And sadly, on my birthday, I wasn't able to wear the dress that I upsized and refashioned specifically for my birthday because it was too cold. Instead, I wore my awesome refashioned 80s suit. I will put the tutorial for this one down below for you guys as well. And you may be wondering, what exactly did this refashionista do for her 50th birthday? Well, I'm super poor, but I managed to find 2 fabulous free activities to do. So, yeah, they're hilarious. Let's take a look.
So the day started off bright and early on the crowded subway, headed straight for downtown Toronto to be in the audience of the brand new CTV show, The Good Stuff with Mary Berg. And I was actually kind of surprised at how small the set was because they had a lot going on. There was cooking segments, there was an author interview, there was DIY segments. It was a lot of fun and a lot of clapping and a lot of reacting for the camera, of course. Then, I'm guessing because we looked pretty cool, we were asked to go across the hall and take part in the audience for The Social, which is a very long-running talk show on CTV. And that was pretty cool too. And as you can see, a much, much bigger set. And we got to sit on these really high up chairs, like higher than the rest of the audience, which was kind of neat. And when the host came out, they all loved my outfit, which is absolutely fabulous. And the guest host was Bruce McCullough, who was one of the comedians I loved when I was younger. And there we are. And whoop, there we are with our heads cut off. It was so much fun.
So even though I had literally zero budget for my 50th birthday, I think I came up with some pretty awesome activities to do. And I highly recommend, if you live in a major metropolitan city where they do offer free tickets to shows, go. I mean, what do you have to lose? It is fun. It is awesome to see all of the behind the scenes. And, you know, I did, of course, hand out my business card to anyone that I possibly could on the show and said, have me on your show. Have me on your show. And hopefully that's going to work because I'm definitely following up with emails now. I will link down below for you guys so you can possibly get in contact with the shows as well and say, hey, you know, Refashionista Sheri, have her on your show. Have her teach people her 4-step wardrobe audit or how to refashion stuff super easily. And yeah, let's get me out there. Let's get me teaching an even wider audience how to create their own unique, sustainable style on almost a zero budget.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sheri!
Sheri!
Keep up!
Keep up!
Your passion!
Your passion!
For Refashioned!
Refashioned! Whoa, whoa, yeah! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista and adventures in upcycling, plus everything for living sustainably. Find it all on her eco site at refashionistasherry.com. Her books are where it's at, and she'll catch ya on the zigzag.